So till now we have proved that the triangle AOD congruent to triangle BOC. Now we have to prove that AD parallel to BC. In earlier classes you have studied that when two lines is intersect or cut by a transversal line, and if its alternate interior angle are equal, then that line will be parallel to each other. So by CPCT, by CPCT we can see that this angle will be equals to this angle and this angle will be equals to this angle. Why? When we have proved that the two triangles are congruent, then their remaining parts or angle will be equal. So here what we will have angle OAD equals to angle OBC. This is alternate interior angle. When alternate interior angles are equal, means the lines will be parallel to each other. So AD parallels to BC proved. Now moving on to next example, that is example number 2. You solve by yourself. Now moving to next theorem. Theorem 7.1 is ASA, angle side angle congruency theorem. So again this theorem you prove by yourself. Now moving to example number 3. See example number 3. Line segment AB. Example number 3. Line segment AB is parallel to another line segment CD. Here what is given? AB parallel to CD. So in given what you write? AB parallel to CD. O is midpoint of AD. When AD is joined, then O is the midpoint. So now so that triangle AOB. So this is equals to this triangle AOB. What you can write, and AO equals to OD. To prove first triangle AOB congruent to triangle DOC, and O is the mid point of BC. Now proof. See how we will prove. Since given that AB parallel to CD, this is parallel to this, means this angle, that is here. Since AB parallel to CD, then what will be? Angle ABO. Angle ABO. This angle will be equals to angle this. That will be angle DCO. What is you can write? AB parallel to CD, alternate interior angle. Similarly, this angle will be equals to this angle, means angle OAB equals to angle ODC. Again same reason. Now what is given? AO equals to OD. So angle side by SAS congruency by ASA ASAY, two angle one side. By ASS congruency, triangle AOB congruent to triangle DOC. Triangle DOC. Now what we have to prove that O is the midpoint of BC. What? O is the midpoint of BC. Then by CPCT, OB equals to OC, that is O is midpoint of BC. Now moving on exercise. See question number 1. What information has been given? See, in question number, what information has been given? See, in quadrilateral ABCD, this is the figure of quadrilateral ABCD. A, B, C, D. This has been mentioned, and what you have to prove? To prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD, or you have to see BC and about BD. I am explaining just see. Consider the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC and triangle ABD. See, AB is common in both, so you write in proof AB equals to AB common. Now AD, here one mark and here one mark, means these two sides are equal, so AD will be AC. What you can write? AB equals to AB common and AC equals to AD, and angle BAC equals to angle BAD. So by as congruency, triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD, this is D, and BC will be equals to BD by CPCT. So this was question number 1. Moving to question number 2. What is given in question number 2? See, question number 2. ABCD is a quadrilateral where ABCD is a quadrilateral where AD equals to BC. Figure is like this. A, B, C, D, this side equals to this, and this is this, and angle DAB, this angle equals to this angle, and CBA. Now you have to prove ABD, triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC, and BD equals to AC, and angle ABD equals to BAC. So ABD, this is triangle, and BAC. So in both triangle, this is common, AB common. So what you can write? AB common, and in both AD, what is mentioned that AD equals to BC. So AD equals to BC given, and this angle BAD will be equals to angle ABC. By SAS congruency, triangle this and this will be equal. Now by CPCT, BD will be equals to AC and angle ABD and angle BAC. See here what is given for third I am solving. We have given third part I am solving angle ABD. So what we have, angle DAB equals to angle ABC. Now take half of both angle DAB and half of angle ABC. So it will be equals to angle ABD will be equals to angle BAC. So this much. So what you have to solve what you have to write in notebook is that first you will solve exam 7.1, then you will solve theorem 7.1, and you have to solve all the examples and question that is given from the exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.